to my channel. In today's video, I'm not actually quite sure what I'm gonna call this video, but it's kind of just like summer pieces, cute dresses, and some higher end denim and accessories that I've been buying. So it's kind of like a mishmash of things, both affordable and more high end. This video is sponsored by NASTYGAL, but I also did ask you guys a while ago. I made a video of the higher end items that I've been buying, and so you guys said that you guys wanted this video ever so often, so I thought I'd just throw that video in here. That way you guys can get like a variety of different price points. So if you're interested in the pieces that I have bought, including this beautiful piece right here, then please keep watching. All right, so by this point, NASTYGAL is just a brand that I am always working with. I have been the biggest fan of NASTYGAL for the longest time, ever since I think I was in college. So to just be working with them on like a regular basis like this is just such a dream, just because I really love their stuff. So be sure to check out the description box, because I have some really cute items from them that are sure to sell out, and if they are close to selling out, I will leave alternative links of similar items from NASTYGAL as well. So check the description box before you leave, but let's just get started, because this set is sold separately, but obviously you can make it a set together. So beautiful. So it's like a little plissé style. Plissé is like the part that looks almost like an accordion. It's so pretty, and I had to get this green color. It did come in white and like another color, I don't remember, but this color is just so beautiful, and the way that it shines like in the sun. This is kind of like an oversized button down top. It's plissé, and then this part right here and the arm or the wrist is like a satin, and then comes with some trousers that are so pretty as well. For me, I just added a belt just because I felt like it needed something to break it up. I got the smallest size, I believe a 0 or a 2. I am wearing heels with it. It is a little bit long, but again, I'm only 5'1", so that's normally always just an issue, but nothing a good tailor cannot fix. All right, so this next dress, I feel like I don't even need to say anything about it. It's so beautiful. So another reason why I didn't know what to call this video was because I was going to call it like a vacation video, vacation outfits video, because I feel like everything I have is just perfect for vacation, but also you could transition it really well into fall. Like the green piece you could literally wear to dinner on a tropical vacation, but also like into fall. But anyway, this is just such an eye-catching piece. You guys know I'm not really like the biggest fan of print, but I really love the print, and I love the colors even more, that it's like a cutout and a puffy sleeve and a very flowy number. So this piece is big on me, but if you're, you know, taller than 5'1", which actually it's not even the length that's an issue, it's just this the width of the dress. It's a little bit big, but I do feel like if you were taller, it would fit you a lot better. But here's a close-up of what it looks like, and again, this is something that just looks so expensive on, but it's very affordable. I definitely think this dress is worth it, and they have other styles in this same print, so I will link those as well. All right, next outfit is like perfect for vacation. So this skirt is from NASTYGAL. It's kind of like a bandana print. So cute. When I saw it, I was like, ooh, that's so cute and so different, and I love the color. Bandana print is nothing crazy. It's kind of like a print that's always been around, so I didn't mind it. It's also still very subtle. And then I just paired it with this like halter neck top, just because I thought it would be so cute. But again, you could use this so many different ways. You could use this kind of like as a bikini cover-up bottom paired with like a white or ivory or red or orange or brown bikini top. I feel like that'd be really cute, or like a knitted top would be really cute as well. And so this is just the way that I would wear it. You could also just wear this to dinner. This skirt is so versatile now that I'm thinking about it, talking about it out loud. But I just paired it with some lace-up heels right here in brown. So cute. So this skirt is what's from NASTYGAL, and then the top and the shoes are not, but they have very similar items that again I will link. All right, this next dress, I love this dress so much, from the color to the detail to the material. It's like that not too thick, not too thin ribbed material, something that you can wear still on like a night out, to dinner, on vacation, not on vacation, into fall. This looks even better on and feels even better on than on the website, I feel like. I love that it has a slit, but it's also very, very like stretchy. I feel like this is something that looks really, really expensive, just because of the color and because of this part right here and the ribbing. I am using a bra underneath it, a bra with a very, very thin bridge, but I think the nice thing about this is that you don't have to wear a bra, and you could wear like pasties if you wanted to, but really you don't need anything, because even if you weren't so well endowed in that area, this part right here, the twist, makes it kind of look or give the illusion, that you have more there than you do. So I just was a little too lazy to take the bra off, but I highly recommend this dress. So this dress is also the same one that I wore on my birthday. I wore a green one. The material is a little bit different, but that one I wore on my birthday was sleeveless. This one is obviously long sleeves, so it's really, really nice for the fall time. All right, last but not least is a dress. Unfortunately, it's a bit too small on me. I could not get into it. I needed to order a size up, or even maybe 2 sizes up. So it's basically the cutout halter dress that has been super, super popular. I will leave a little picture of the actual dress from the website, but just to give you a visual, it's a halter dress just like this, and then it comes with, or it's part of, a maxi skirt. So if you guys saw my high-end video or high-end items I have been buying, I have the white version of this, and this is basically the same exact thing for less than half the price. So I would definitely size up in this, but it feels really, really nice, and I will have links down below, so be sure to check out the description box. I will also leave some of my other picks that I didn't actually choose, but that I'm loving from NASTYGAL right now, so check the description box before you leave. And now we're going into the denim portion of the video. All right, so I am kind of like in between sizes right now, where I'm not quite sure what my size was. Obviously, I gave birth to P in January, so it's been about 7 months since I've had her. I've been working out, I have been trying to eat better, and I've lost some pounds since then. So I feel like my jean selection, I need to get new sizes in some jeans, and so I thought I'd share with you guys what I got. So these jeans are nothing new. You guys have seen me wear this. It's one of the best sellers every time I talk about them or show them or link them. These are the AGOLDE pinch waist. But the reason why I got these ones again is because I got a size too small the last time. People were telling me that AGOLDE stretches out, but you all lied. It doesn't stretch. So I got a size 24 this time. I also heard people saying size down in AGOLDE, so I got a size down from my usual size, which I have a 23, and that's way too tight and it does not stretch. So for me, I don't know, I would say go your true size, because there really is no stretch for me. So I am trying out a size 24, and I love this because I love the distressing, not into very, very like lot of distressing. This one fits so much better. I think the other one was just way too tight everywhere. So even with this one, the more that I walk in it for this video, the more comfortable it was getting. But yeah, this is what the back looks like. So I think I'm gonna stick with these ones, and my other 23s, I think I'll probably just put on sale on Poshmark or something. Our next pair is another AGOLDE pair. So this one I love so much. So this one feels like it does have stretch, but look how nicely it like hugs my waist. So this one's a size 24, and this one is the kick flare. So as you can see, it flares out, but slightly, not too much. And the reason why I keep trying to make AGOLDE work is because I love the rise of their jeans. It's high rise to my liking. It's like not too low, not too high, but really good, or good enough for a petite person like me to feel like it elongates my legs. This one just fits so nicely. This is what the back looks like. I'm really glad I purchased this because I don't think I purchased this at all in my like high-end denim review video. The only thing is that I think it's meant to be ankle length or a little bit cropped. And since I'm only 5'1", it's a little bit long, but I don't know. I might take it in an inch or two, but then I feel like at that point I might lose the flare. So I'm gonna go in and check if they have a kick flare cropped version. Otherwise, I don't know, I kind of like how this one just looks and fits anyway. What do you guys think? So this is what the jeans would look like if I did take it in about an inch to hit me right at my ankle. I think I'm gonna throw on some boots to see how it would look. Okay, so here I put on some ankle length boots. What I really was wanting also was a pair of jeans to go outside of my boots. But I like how this looks and how it gives room to just sit on top of the outside of my boot. And still I have this one cuffed in about an inch to see how it would look if I did hem it. And I like it. I think this one is going to have to stay. All right, next pair. This one is called the CHERIE. I have not tried this one out before. I think when I was trying to for the high-end denim review, it was sold out my size. But these jeans were definitely made for a taller person. Even the rips are a little too low on my knee. They're supposed to be a little higher. But if I did stand up really, really tall on my tippy toes, I can see why I bought them, because on the model it looks really, really good. But again, it's just a little too tight around here. I did get a 24. I love the idea of these jeans. So if you're taller than me and you're okay with no stretch, because this one does not have stretch, then I would give these a shot because they're just so cute. The color is great. The distressing is just enough. But on me, they just don't work, unfortunately. It's a little too tight right down here. It's like pushing my butt in, and I want a butt. Okay, last item from AGOLDE are these shorts. These are the D super high-rise shorts. So I also like a good high-rise on my shorts as well. If you follow me on Instagram stories, then you would have seen me try these on. I think I showed them. Anyway, I ordered an AGOLDE pair of jeans. I think they're called the JODIE, which I did keep. And I also ordered these, but the first time I ordered these, they were a size too big. I ordered a 25, so now I have the size 24s. I love how high they sit on my waist, but I'm not sure if I'm too short for them. Like, what do you guys think? Do you think they're too long? Do you think they're perfect length? I almost feel like I could have done if it was just a little bit shorter, like at least half an inch, they would look better on me, but I don't know. I'm also not sure if this part is doing something weird. So I will kind of like leave it up to you guys to let me know. The nice thing about these shorts is that there is stretch in them as well. So they're very comfortable. They fit me really nicely here. It does have like a little slit on the side right here. So I'm not sure. I like it, but I don't know if it's too long. So these are actually the AGOLDE shorts that I was telling you guys about that I got, that I wore to Hawaii. So these are a little bit shorter, as you can tell, but these are just really nice for just very casual beach shorts. Like I said, just super low key. And I know you guys are gonna think these are shorts, too short, but I don't know, I like them. They're also not as high-waisted as the D, but I do like them. This one I got in a size 25, and sorry, the fray is just very wild right now. This is literally straight out of the washer and dryer, which probably shouldn't dry them, but I believe they're called the JODIE or something like that, but we'll link it in the description. So here's another pair of shorts that I recently got from Revolve. It's by the brand Urani. I feel like that's how you say it. So I've been on the hunt for these types of shorts that almost kind of like flare out, almost like it's a skirt, because I feel like they just give so much shape, and it's just a really different type of denim shorts, if you know what I mean. I'm always on the hunt for something like staple, classic, but with a twist, something that's like different, that's gonna like make people look twice. So I got this in a 24. I had to pre-order it because it was sold out. It is a little bit big for me, but I thought with like a belt it might look cuter. And excuse the little hoodie. This is a hoodie from H&M, part of my H&M haul that I did recently, but I feel like with a nice blouse and some nice cute like heels or low heels, this would be super, super cute. So the belt is also from Revolve. I just got it. It does not come with the shorts, but I thought it was a good belt just to have, and pretty inexpensive for a nice belt like this as well. But like I was saying, I thought it was cute to pair with the shorts with like a blousier top, not like a hoodie. Although I don't know, this could be cute too. All right, so moving on to accessories, some designer items that I bought lately are a pair of sunglasses. So this one is by Loewe. So I've been wanting these for a really long time. The first pair from Loewe that I got were more of like a rounded bottom cat eye. But when I ordered them online, they just were way too big. They did not sit well on my face. I like the shape. I still love those ones. But when I saw that they had this at Bloomingdale's by my house, I tried them on and I loved them. So this is what it looks like right here. Tie my hair back so you guys can see. But I love these so much. I love how different they are. They come in like this color, a clear, like a really light orangey brown color, but I just love brown sunglasses. I always tend to go for brown sunglasses over black. So yes, love these ones. All right, and then last but not least, my new little baby mini bag. This is the mini JODIE from Bottega. So I had the hardest time deciding what color to get in this bag, but I went with this chocolate fondant brown right here. It's nice because it's a dark brown, but it also looks like black. So I could go both ways. And I don't have a bag of this color. I was gonna go for like the taupey nude color, but I realized I have items like that in my closet that I don't really wear, so I didn't want to buy a bag that I don't think I was gonna wear as much. And then I already have a Bottega like caramel brown, although I would have bought that same color just because I used that bag so much. They didn't have the green, which I wanted, the bright green. They had a white one, which I loved, but I just bought a Chanel white purse, so I didn't want to buy another white purse. So I went with this one and I'm very happy. I've already used it a couple times, so I'm already getting great wear out of it, but it's so cute and it's just so nice and dainty. Great for just like going out, happy hour, lunch, brunch, dinner, and the buttery soft leather is just to die for. And I love the little knot detail. It's just the cutest little thing ever. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it for my summer vacay dresses, transitional fall dresses slash high-end denim slash high-end pieces I've been buying lately video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So again, every time I do kind of purchase higher end items like I have been doing lately, I will try to mash it up into a video of some sort since you guys have been liking it, because I love mixing high and low. So again, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, but most importantly, check out the description box because I know you guys are going to want links. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I just wanna